Hello everybody, I'm Evgenia Petrishova, the company MBK Maschinenbau. Today I invite you to our assembly department. Let's go! Right now we are testing a welding machine for production of cages for pipes and manholes. In 2 weeks it will go over the ocean to its owner. But before that, let's see how it works. This is a fully automatic line for production of cages. What does it mean? To say it simply, the operator comes to the control panel, enters a necessary number of cages, for example 45. After that, he clicks on the button Start, goes away, and comes back in an hour. How does it work? The wire in this line is used from the coils. That's why the line begins with the driven coils. After that, the wire for longitudinal bars goes to the straightening and cutting device. This device is specially adapted in speed to the welding machine. After that, the wire is cut to the necessary length and transfers to the device for automatically feeding longitudinals into the welding machine. This is the most innovative development of our company and is patented by MBK. It means if you want to buy a fully automatic line for production of cages for pipes and manholes, you can buy it only here at MBK. The characteristic feature of this line is that the device for automatic feeding the longitudinal bars into the machine is optimized up to milliseconds to reach the maximum productivity of the welding machine. And now we click on the button Start and let's see how the machine works. You know, our customers say this machine sends out a holiday spirit when it runs, and this is no coincidence. The machine of this type has been and remains a face of the MBK company. And now I say goodbye. Take care of you and see you soon. Evgenia Petrishova, MBK Maschinenbau.